Question 6 is another simultaneous equations question. We need to eliminate one or other of these variables. Let's try to eliminate p, which means we must multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. And if we take these two equations away from each other, we get that 1a is equal to 0.26. So if we now substitute that back into the simpler equation, which I think is equation 2, therefore 2p equals 1.22 minus 0.78. And therefore, if you work this out, p becomes 0.22. So those are the first two of our interim results. So, Michael, 10 of each. So this is 2.6 plus 2.2, which is equal to 4.8. So he spends $4.80. And that's your answer.